Young and immature eagles congregate at Kodiak, on the island of the same name in Alaska. Bald eagles do not develop their full white heads until about 5 years of age. An imperious eagle looks down his beak at a cheeky raven in Port Hardy, Vancouver Island. A flock of migrating sandpipers fill the frame in Cordova, Prince William Sound. These tiny birds migrate north each spring from as far away as South America. Rough Atlantic Ocean waves off the remote islands of St. Kilda, west of the Outer Hebrides, Scotland, are home to millions of birds, including fulmars. Also seen off the coast of Iceland and the high Arctic. This beautiful gannet soars in the skies of St. Kilda, as does this fulmar circling near its nest on the rugged cliffs. Sea pinks add beauty to this nest in the Outer Hebrides. Nesting black-footed kittiwakes cuddle in close proximity on Cenotaph Island in Lituya Bay, southeast Alaska, where they perform dizzying aerobatics when away from their nests. A skein of geese prepare to head south in late summer over a glacier in the Canadian high Arctic. A plump gull eyes the photographer in western Scotland. Gulls perform a delicate ballet over crates of fish in Sitka, southeast Alaska. Enormous flocks of guillemots crowd the vertiginous cliffs of Grimsey Island in the storm-tossed waters north of Iceland. A kittiwake tends to its chick in the same location. This tiny island is home to 60 species of birds, including millions of Arctic puffins. Well, hello there. A frigate bird comes in for a landing on Venture's masthead light in the Galapagos. Also in the Galapagos, a pelican comes calling. This pelican cruises the skies of the Channel Islands off the coast of Southern California. Masked boobies cruise the wake of a ship off the coast of Mexico. Gulls wheel above Venture's wake down the busy Elbe River, Germany. These gulls wheel beneath the pilings in Juneau, Alaska. An oyster catcher sweeps over the emerald fields of the Faroe Islands. This pair of blue-footed boobies performs a mating dance in the Galapagos. A lovely pair of barn swallows perch on Venture's varnished rail. This group of gulls, with Venture in the background, will have to move when their island is covered by the incoming tide. A gull keeps a wary eye on Venture, anchored along the remote Alaskan peninsula. Competition is fierce and thieves are about. This colourful eider duck navigates the waters of Northern Ireland. These owls are temporary residents of the Raptor Center in Sitka, Alaska. A crow stops for a drink in Southern California. A loon takes to the air from Bottleneck Inlet, British Columbia, Canada. This tern perches on Venture's jackstaff in Stornoway, Outer Hebrides, Scotland. A black-headed gull perches nearby. This plump little guy with a black bib comes calling in Norway. A grey heron waits patiently for fish at Ardfern in the Western Highlands of Scotland. Cormorants dry their wings in Dundalk, Ireland, and Ullapool, Scotland. Colourful magpies congregate on Kodiak Island, Alaska. And, to complete this peregrination, emperor penguins on distant Snow Hill Island, Antarctica.